Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hello there, my name is Francisco and today I'm gonna make a very super easy tutorial of Jingle Bells. How to play Jingle Bells on the guitar, just the accompaniment part. In this song we have two parts, we have the melody, which I sang, and we have the accompaniment on the guitar. We're just gonna do the accompaniment. So if I just do the guitar part, it will be something like this. It only uses 3 chords. This arrangement, even if you never played guitar before, you will be able to play it. Just follow the steps and you will learn your first song on the guitar or your first Christmas song on the guitar. Even if you have no previous experience in playing the guitar, I think you will be able to pull this off maybe in 1 or 2 hours. Let's go! Here is a close-up of my guitar. We have the right hand and the left hand. In the right hand, we are just gonna play the top 4 strings, like this. With the thumb. We can just play with the thumb, the top 4 strings. And to get the first chord, which will be G major, we have the frets here, 1st, 2nd and 3rd fret. We can play the 3rd fret and we can play it with this finger, but for some reasons that I will explain later, we're gonna play it with the 3rd finger, with the ring finger. So we're gonna play like this. We are gonna play it 4 times, and that way we already have the beginning of Jingle Bells. See? Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. About the rhythm, I will explain a bit more later. Just try to make sure that the chord sounds nice. You really have to press it hard. This will be our first chord. Our second chord will be D7. So we're gonna need 3 fingers. We're gonna need to press with this 3rd finger the 2nd fret. We're gonna press the 1st fret on the 2nd string and the 3rd fret on the 3rd string. So now we're gonna use 3 fingers. This one is a bit more complicated, but not that much. Okay? And we're gonna play the same 4 strings on the right hand. At this point, you should practice switching between G major and D7. So you should do this. G major, D7. Stop, G major, stop, D7. Stop. The last chord, it will be A7. A7, it's gonna be with 2 fingers and it's gonna be like this. 2nd finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, and the 1st string is gonna be on the 1st finger is gonna be on the 4th string, like this. So we're gonna put 2 fingers like this. Okay? So it will be the A7. We're gonna play like this. Okay? And we're just gonna play the top 4 strings. Okay, that's it. You don't have to learn any more things. Now it's time to practice our 3 chords. Let's remember: G major, D7, A7. Okay, next question. How often should you play each chord and at which speed? So the rhythm, it's gonna be like this. You play one time the chord, and then you wait approximately 1 second. And then you play one time the chord, and then you wait approximately 1 second. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Now, I'm gonna tell you the chord progression. So, the full chord progression is gonna be like this. Stop the screen now. 4 times G. Jingle all the way. 1 time D7. 1 time G. 1 time A7. 1 time D7. 4 times G. 1 time D7. 1 time G, 1 time D7, 1 time G. I hope you have enjoyed it. I wish you happy holidays and have fun with Jingle Bells, your first Christmas song.